Hey everyone, welcome to CJ Pony Parts. Today we'll be working through another install, walking you through the process step by step so you can tackle it with confidence. We'll show you everything you need to know, from any prep, tools you'll need to do the job, or fitment to get the perfect look, plus a few helpful tips to make your install go smoothly. Let's get it in gear and get started. Today we'll be replacing the door panel on Betty. As we were working on the exterior door handle and the interior handles, we realized that this is a little sad looking, so we'll be updating that today. To get started, you'll want to remove your armrest and your door handles. We have videos on how to do that and how to install your new ones. You can see the links in the description. And now to move on to the same thing with the window crank. So here's our old door panel and here's our new door panel. And we want to flip this over. And as you can see, there's already holes in our old one from our armrest, but our new one does not have those, but it does already have the cutouts. So you'll want to pry those cardboard pieces out of the panel because it is much harder to get out once the door panel's on the car. And then you'll want to install your new clips into the door panel. And the way that these go on is pretty easy to remember. You just take the curve of the bottom and it goes with the curve in the cut. So all of these are shaped like little arches and have a flat side, but you'll want to match the curved side to the curved side and install these the whole way around your panel. Now that the clips are in and you have the cardboard pieces out for your armrests, let's get this on the car. To install the new door panel, you'll just want to work your way around the door, lining up your clips into the existing holes. And as you can see, we have a new vapor barrier on Betty's door. So be sure to check out our video on that. The link is in the comments. A little pro tip, you'll want to make sure the little legs of the clip are started through the hole before you fully press the clip on. If you press and the clips are not started into the hole on the door, it could bend them the wrong way. So be sure to hold on to some of your old clips just in case you bend these. Once you have all of your clips pushed in, you need to reinstall your armrest and your door handles. You can use your old door panel by setting it right over top and marking the holes where your armrest goes. Now that our armrest, our doorknob, and our window crank are all reinstalled, that completes your door panel installation. That wraps up this install. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future installs, product spotlights, or event coverage. Got questions or want to show off your ride? Drop a comment or tag us on social media. We love to see what you're building. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.